Hello, my name is Raquel Sanchis. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Business Organization at the Universitat Politécnica de Valencia in Spain. And in this presentation, which is part of the Business Continuity Managers Training Platform project that is funded by the European Commission, I will explain the constituent capacities of organizational resilience. The learning outputs of this presentation are focused on defining the concept of organizational resilience and identifying its constituent capacities. The presentation is structured as follows. Firstly, there is an introduction to show why the capacity of resilience is so important in these times. The second section is focused on presenting the constituent capacities of organizational resilience to finalize with the conclusions. Currently, organizations are exposed to several negative events such as fires, weather disasters, earthquakes, pandemics, wars, to mention a few. For this reason, it is very important for organizations to have the ability to anticipate disruptive events and recover from them in a way that adapts to new circumstances efficiently. Nowadays, there are many disruptive events that threaten the stability and functioning of organizations. In this sense, any type of organization needs to be proactive, implementing mechanisms to predict and anticipate negative events, and also to be reactive to efficiently recover when the disruption happens, to adapt to this new context. The first capacity of resilience is preparedness. Companies are currently more and more vulnerable due to the different reasons such as increased dependence on customers and suppliers, globalization, uncertainty, and, for example, the large number of daily transactions, to mention a few reasons. Therefore, it's vital that companies try to predict and prepare in advance to face potential disruptions. The moment a disruptive event occurs, a firm is pushed from a state of relative equilibrium to another state characterized by instability. The ease with which the firm is moved to this new unstable state is a measure of vulnerability, understood as the preparedness to cope with the disruptive event, while the degree to which the firm responds to the change is a measure of its resilience. The second capacity of resilience is the adaptive one, defined as the degree to which a company can modify its strategy, operation, systems management, management structure, and decision-making capabilities and move toward a stable condition. It is worth mentioning that the more adaptable the company is, the more easily it will return to the operating level at which it normally operates before the disruptive event occurrence. Therefore, in order to prepare in advance and recover efficiently from disruptive events, the adaptive capacity will support the other two capacities that constitute resilience. The last capacity of resilience is the recovery one, that is defined as the ability to respond to and bounce back from a disruptive situation. In this sense, a company should not aim to recover by returning to its initial state, but rather to recover and reach the level at which its competitive advantages are maintained. As conclusions, organizations need to be resilient due to the dynamic characteristics of the environment. Organizational resilience is the ability to anticipate disruptive events, what is related to the constituent capacity of preparedness, and to recover from them, what is related to the constituent capacity of recovery, in a way that adapts to new circumstances efficiently, what is associated with the adaptive capacity. being all of them the capacities that constitute organizational resilience. And with the scientific references of this learning material, the presentation is finished. Thank you very much for your attention.